Okay, so what are we going to do in this session? We are simply going to write a function which is going to return a boolean value of true if the past argument is a palindrome and a boolean value of false if the past argument is not a palindrome. But what exactly is a palindrome? Okay, so now that you know what a palindrome actually is, let's get started writing the solution in JavaScript. Okay, so right into my laptop screen, I have a script.js file open into Visual Studio Code, and I'm simply going to start writing the code. So first of all, I'm going to declare a function. So let me do that. And I'm simply going to call the function palindrome, if that's the right pronunciation. And before writing the function definition, let me pass a parameter over here. And I'm simply going to call the parameter as str, which is short form for string. I don't know why I'm telling such silly things, but yeah, it is what it is. And now comes the crucial part, which is writing the definition of the function. So first of all, I'm going to create a constant called as reversed str, reversed string basically. How are we going to reverse the string? But we cannot just simply use the reverse function or the reverse method on the argument which we have gotten into our function, that is str. But we can definitely use the reverse method onto an array. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to convert the string, the argument, into an array first, then we have to reverse that array, and then back again we have to convert that array into a string, so that we'll get a reversed string. As easy as that. Let us do that now. So I'm simply going to say string, and in order to convert the string into an array, I'm simply going to use the method split. And I'm going to pass in this double inverted commas over here. You can use single inverted commas if you want to. I'm okay with double inverted commas, but you have to use this double inverted or single inverted commas uh, as a parameter into the split method, because it simply adds each and every individual element to a different index. If you'll not do so, what will happen is the whole string will get added or will get pushed to the array uh, onto the same index, right? And that is why we have to use the double inverted commas or simply single inverted commas to add each and every individual element to a different index into the array. Now we are simply going to reverse the array by using the reverse method. And finally, we are going to convert the array into a string by using the method join. And similar to that of the split method, you have to use double inverted or single inverted commas here as well. Okay. And here, as you can see, the methods are linked to each other. And this whole process is called as chaining. So now we have the reversed string. If you want, we can check it by simply logging the reversed string. Let me open the terminal and run this commands using node. Okay, node script. Oh, we haven't called the function. A very silly mistake. Palindrome. And let me pass hello over here. Node script. And as you can see, we have got OLLEH, which is the exact reverse of the word or the string hello. Okay, moving on. Now we simply have to return a boolean value of true if the argument passed in the function is a palindrome. How can we do that? Simply by saying return, and by checking if the string is exactly equal to that of a reversed string. Okay, so if we'll reverse the string which we have received in function or as an argument, and if we'll compare it with the original string, and then if we'll find out that the original string and the reverse string is the same, that means the string which was passed into the function was a palindrome, right? Simply we are checking that over here. So this whole expression which you can see over here is going to finally become a boolean value of either true or false, and that the boolean value is what we are returning from this function. So this is the solution for this problem. It's done. It's done. As simple as that. Let us try running it or executing it in the terminal using Node.js. Node script. Okay, we have to log the results. And now we are getting a boolean value of false, which basically states that hello is not a palindrome. But now if we'll say race car in here, we are simply getting a boolean value of true, because race car is definitely a palindrome. RAR, yes, RAR is a palindrome. Sag zone, not a palindrome, and hence we get a boolean value of false from our function. Okay, so that was it for this problem. That was it about the solution of this problem. Thank you for watching till this point. Have a very great day. Keep watching Zag Zone. Bye.